Let's take former MVP Cam Newton, who was rewarded with a one-year deal by the Patriots after Tom Brady left for Tampa. The team posted a hype video yesterday to get fans pumped up for Cam's debut. But one Hall of Famer, our guy, Tony Gonzalez, says the quarterback and his new coach are like oil and water, and that he wouldn't be shocked if Cam doesn't start week 1. Ooh, LeVar Arrington's back. Acho, I'll start with you. Would you be shocked if Cam doesn't start week 1?
Yes, I would be shocked. But it's ludicrous. Ludicrous. Cam is going to start week 1. Now, going into training camp on the depth chart, Cam may not be the #1 guy on the depth chart starting training camp.
Y'all put them backpedal shoes on.
Bill Belichick's mantra, tear you down before building you up, and hopefully you do eventually get built up. But Bill Belichick will have his New England Patriots win 10 Super Bowls in a row and be like, we still sorry. We still got a ton to prove. Right, y'all just went to the Super Bowl like 5 years straight. Y'all are amazing. Bill Belichick's whole M.O. is to tell you how good you aren't so that you continue to play with a chip on your shoulder, which we talked about prior. But is Cam Newton going to start week 1? Y'all, let's not act like we haven't seen Cam and Jared compete at similar places before. They both were at Auburn. Cam, 14-0, national title. Stidham, not so much. Stidham, great quarterback. I covered him in college. I liked his game in college. I don't have anything yet to say in the NFL because it's inconclusive evidence to rule a decision as the jury. However, Cam, NFL, I'm not even going to say it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Saying it. Cam, NFL MVP. Is he going to start week 1? Yes, and to think otherwise is asinine.
Here comes asinine.
Oh, God.
Well, here come all the way live.
Here come asinine.
105 miles per hour. I've been telling y'all this from day one. Yeah, y'all could act like, it's asinine not for him to start. Okay, then. Then it's going to be a whole lot of bringing me my bottles because I want this. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why. When you think about the whole idea of Cam Newton coming in and being the guy for the New England Patriots, let's go through the checklist here. Off season comes, they let Tom Brady go eventually. Now, at the time that they let Tom Brady go, one Cam Newton still was not available. Or maybe he was available. Or maybe it doesn't even matter. You know why? Because when they let Tom Brady go, they felt confident enough in Jarrett Stidham that they could let the GOAT go when they did because they felt that this guy would be able to step in and be the guy. That's first. Secondly, then you bring him in, and you bring him in at a discounted rate. You got to follow the money. If you were bringing him in to be a starter, you would bring him in and you would pay him as a starter. So we could sit there and try to frame it as, oh, Cam has something to prove. It ain't about the money. But really, in the end, we talked about it at length. He held out long enough trying to figure out if he could get a starting job, starting salary deal before he signed. So let's not go there. They bring him in. He may not fit the scheme the way that everybody's expecting him to, but they're confident in Stidham, and Stidham will probably be, with all of the given scenario and circumstances right now, will be the starter coming week 1 of them playing.
Okay. We've gotten so far. Man, I wish this pandemic would end so we could get some real sports to remind people of the primal nature of sports. If Cam is not starting in week 1 in New England, they are tanking for Trevor. I mean, that's all that is. If they're going out there and with him on the roster, if it was just Jarrett Stidham on the roster, I would have no problem. Let's go out there and try to win all our games. But if you sit Cam Newton healthy down for Jarrett Stidham, I don't care if Jarrett Stidham has perfect performances in practice. There is a ceiling to a Jarrett Stidham that is not as high as Cam Newton. I was just yesterday at a park watching the training of these young high schoolers. And we've all been around the game long enough that it takes about 3-4 seconds to know who's good and who needs to study.
That's right. That's right.
You know what I mean? Like, who needs to get a degree and who needs to be in the league. And it was just so obvious, so glaring. It was just like, golly. And it's not a level playing field. And I'm sorry, Jarrett Stidham. I believe in equality. But you're not equal to Cam Newton on a football field if Cam Newton is right. So you can say all you want. We could go over here and wax poetic about Belichick's philosophy and all of what he's trying to do and motivating factors. The point is, as soon as he see Cam Newton on that field, and then he's like, all right, good rep, your turn, Jarrett. And he's like, oh, There is a difference. And that's going to be the difference in Cam Newton being the quarterback for the New England Patriots. He's just too damn good to sit down. It's a primal sport. Man, oh man, against your will on acreage. And Cam Newton has already shown he's done that better than anybody.
Now, let's put it all in perspective, because sometimes you'll turn on a show, and if you just watch bits and pieces, you'll be like, how you going to disrespect Jarrett Stidham? We're not necessarily. Remember, Cam Newton, healthy, is one of the best quarterbacks, one of the best creatures the game has ever seen. Like, not even a quarterback, one of the best creatures.
Stop.
But, LeVar,
Stop.
I have to call you out because you was out here telling some lies. Ooh. Okay? Ooh. You was out here telling some lies.
What's new?
You said that they let Tom Brady go. As if Tom ain't choose he wanted to go on his own. As if Tom ain't a man with 2 feet and 2 shoes. And as if Tom ain't walk out on his own. You said they would have paid Cam more. The market dictates your value, sir. They didn't have to pay Cam no more. Learn that in college. So it's not a matter of they didn't pay Cam because they didn't want to or need to. They didn't pay Cam because they didn't have to.
Do not perpetuate that. Follow the money. If they were going to pay him as a starter, if he was going to be a starter coming in, they would have paid him starter money. That's just the rules of engagement. You're not going to pay a guy bare minimum to come in and be a starter. Y'all talking about all of these things that Cam Newton is and what he represents, but yet when it came down to the check, he got a not so Cam Newton check. Y'all better stop, man. Take us a break.
He only got that check because he had a flat tire. It was a salvage. They bought it at the junkyard. Yeah, but they didn't know that driver still was in there. And he about to take off on y'all.